automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you 1, 2, 3.
Oi, oi. Hey. I don't cop things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wire, man, like Chubbs in detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with Teasy. I didn't trust no one, swag out line, niggas got too breezy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit PG. If man get beaky, ring ring, call up GG, boom, I'm neatly. Used to look up to a man from certain ends with tune on repeat. Thought he was a bad boy then till man got pinched and man went PC. Man went PC just like Dell and Windows, some man Windows. Before I was ever around Kendos, I was in Enzo, dreaming up Enzos. The woman I do end up with has to be a black girl just like Munchie. Can't have no pretentious thing when I know this road gets bumpy. Word to the broski J, he got different names in different countries. 3 whaps in a whip and we beat that case where man live way too comfy. I don't do well with people making disses and making threats. Warrior man got flown like private jets for way less. I know she's calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk. Yeah, last year I kept it on the tuck. Hey, 2020 I came to fuck it up. Yeah, I want a long life, a legendary one. I want a quick death and an easy one. I want a pretty girl and an honest one. I want this drink and another one. Yeah, and I'm troublesome. Yeah, I'm a pop star, but this shit ain't bubble gum. Yeah, you would probably think my manager is Scooter Braun. Yeah, but my manager was 20 hoes and Budokan. Yeah, hey, look, Ariana, Selena, my Visa. It can take as many charges as it needs to, my girl. That shit platinum just like all of my...
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Vshow hair, and today I'm reviewing this beautiful curly unit from them. This is a closure unit. I want to say that this is a 5x5 closure unit, and today I went ahead and I styled it in a deep side part. As you guys can see here, it looks like a regular frontal would look. It does not look like a closure at all, and I love doing this with my closure units, but I don't think that I've ever done it with curly hair on my channel, so I wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I think I did a pretty good job. I put like a little curl here, and then, you know, if the hair moves, it's still like some little swoop right there. So this is an up close look at what we are giving. Look at the parting space. Like, hello, it's like a regular part. Okay, we all have closure units, but we get tired of wearing it in the standard like middle part. So this is a great way to, you know, revamp your closure unit, and you guys can still get a deep side part, which is something that we all love, right? I love a deep side part. I don't know about you. It just gives you a whole new vibe than just having like a regular middle part. This unit though, you guys, is very thick. Okay, it's very dense. I'm not sure on the density. It's very full. However, I do have the hair tamed right now. It is somewhat wet. It's not like in its natural dry state. Some portions of it obviously are dry, like down here, but there are some portions that are still wet. But yeah, this is all of it. It's so much, like it's a lot going on, and as you guys can see, like it just looks like, you know, your hair would look if you just had a frontal. You know, that's what I love about this style, that even though it is a closure unit, it definitely gives frontal, so you can definitely get away with it, and it doesn't look so obvious that you like have a closure unit in. You can still pull the hair behind your ear like so, you know, and it still has a little edge. That's why I put the edges like that, so you can still have some edges. And yeah, I didn't like an exaggerated swoop here. Nice deep side part, but like as you guys can see, you can pull the hair behind your ear. You don't have to have it all in the front if you don't want to. But yeah, I really like this unit. I think the curl pattern on this unit is so beautiful. Like it is so gorgeous, and it's like it's different from like some of the other curly hair that I've reviewed. This is like, I don't know, it has like more of like a fluffy texture to it. You guys can see, like, look how pretty and like juicy, like thick, you know, and voluminous these curls are. I really like the curl pattern to the hair, and I like the fact that it's like curly all the way down to the root, but you can still get it nice and smooth. As you guys can see, I like that it has like kind of like a little wave like that, you see, has that kind of vibe going on. But you can also pull the hair off to the side a little bit, and then whoop, you see how that's going on? Like, it's just like a perfect little wave, and I really like that about it. So freaking beautiful. Like, I love this unit, and I just wanted to show you guys a different way that you can style your curly closure unit. Hopefully this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Liking my videos helps me out a whole lot. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Vshow Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers, both new and returning, for showing love and supporting today's video. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.